Loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can see and as you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be trying a glueless lace front wig for the very first time. This wig is from Simidola hair and this is a 4x6 HD lace glueless lace wig. I will have everything linked down below, so definitely check the description box, but we are going to go ahead and just jump right into the unboxing and install. The wig came to me in this beautiful light pink box right here. It says Simidola virgin hair on the front in gold foiling. And when you open up the box, they did send over the hair as well as some goodies. They sent over a pack of HD wig caps, a wig melting band, an edge brush, as well as some travel makeup brushes and a pair of eyelashes. The wig came in this pink satin bag, which is so cute because you can store your wig in this after you open it and wear it if you don't want to just put it back in the box. And like I mentioned, the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is a 4x6 24-inch Water Wave HD lace front wig. As you guys can see here, this is the hair on the website, and they do have some beautiful ladies on here installing this wig super easy and effortlessly. It has a pre-plucked super natural hairline as well as a predefined middle part. So this wig is literally ready to go. The wig did come in a plastic bag as well, which has everything labeled. So again, it's a 4x6 HD, 180% density, 24-inch Water Wave lace front wig. And guys, fresh out of the box, this hairline and the lace just looks so fine and so natural. This is it with the hairnet still on and this beautiful, beautiful water wave texture. This wig is super thick, the hair is super soft, and the texture is absolutely beautiful. Again, this is the hairline fresh out of the box. It did come with this piece of foam underneath to help keep it shaped. The lace did come pre-cut with a curved edge. If you guys have seen any glueless videos on TikTok or YouTube, most of the glueless wigs come with the lace pre-cut with that curved edge, which helps it to blend into the skin super seamlessly. And you can see here the lace up against my hand. The lace is super, super fine and thin, but you can see some of the black knots still. I did not want to go ahead and bleach the knots, and I really don't think you need to. I think you can just put a little bit of makeup under the lace, but I did decide to go ahead and just spray some lace tint instead. This is literally the same thing as just putting makeup. It's just basically spray makeup, and I might have sprayed a little bit too much, but it definitely did help disguise those black knots. You can get this from like your local beauty supply store, and you can use whatever works for you. And if you guys do see like a white kind of cast at the top of the hair, just know that's because I sprayed a little bit of too much lace tint. But again, this is the wig after I sprayed the tint right up against my hand, as you guys can see. But guys, look at this texture. The hair is so thick, has so much movement and bounce and volume. I ended up styling the hair with product, but now looking back, I definitely wish I just left it alone. The wig does come with an elastic band inside and a stretchy cap, which helps it to lay very flat when you just put it on. So I am going ahead and just flipping this bad boy on, and guys, look at that. I just pulled the hairline back. Obviously, it's not placed 100% correctly and everything, but look how natural that hairline and that wig is looking fresh out of the box. Literally sprayed some lace tint and put the wig on, and look how this looks, guys. I am absolutely in love and super impressed with this wig. You get some really nice deep parting space in the middle, and again, this hairline is super pre-plucked and looks super, super natural. This hair is super full and I love this texture. I am gonna go ahead and style the wig quickly. I really didn't do much. I'm taking my curling wand just to flatten out the top of the wig a little bit, and also to push back the edges and sleek it down, as you guys can see here. I did pull some hair out as well because I am gonna be creating some baby hairs on the side. But guys, like, I'm just not gonna get over this hairline. I'm somebody who hates bleaching knots, plucking wigs, installing wigs, period. So this is a game changer. Like, if you are like me, or if you just want something easy, want to try wigs, or maybe never got into wigs, this is the way to go, guys. This is super, super easy and ready to go. And it still leaves you room to customize it a little bit, like how I am here. I'm just using some mousse and swooping them into place. And again, I took my curling wand and I just curled the pieces that I used as my baby hairs, but you can use a mini flat iron or whatever works best for you. And this is what the hairline looks like, completely glueless, guys. I did want to go ahead and make this install a little bit more long lasting. So I went ahead and just took some Ebon Wonder spray, sprayed it on the lace, and that's it. I have no wig cap on. I did not bleach these knots. I did not pluck this hairline, and this wig is looking super, super natural. Again, super optional step, but I am going ahead and adding some layers into the hair. I like to do this whenever I have any curly or wavy wigs. I feel like it just helps the hair to look so much more natural and a little bit more effortless as well. And to style the hair and bring it back to life a little bit, I'm just adding some water, but I wish I just left it at that, honestly, and just let the hair curl back up, because the natural curl pattern on this hair is absolutely beautiful. I don't know, I love this texture, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. But I am going ahead and taking some leave-in curl cream and raking this through just mostly the ends of the hair. Again, I do like how this came out. The curls were definitely more defined, but this texture is super beautiful that you definitely could go without this step and the curls would still dry super, super beautifully and still look super defined with just spraying it with some water. I absolutely love this hair, guys. The curls are beautiful. The hair was super, super soft to the touch. I was easily able to run my fingers through it when styling, and the hair has so much movement and bounce. As you guys can see, I was feeling myself. I was super excited to take this wig band off and get the full reveal because again, this was the quickest wig install I've ever done. It's literally like a wig that had bangs and no lace, but for this being a lace front wig, guys, this is incredible. Like, super convenient, super easy, and look at that. Look how easily that melted into my skin. And this wig is 100% glueless. You really did not have to spray that lace adhesive. I was going somewhere and it was pretty hot out. I was going to be moving around and things, so I just wanted a little bit more security. I did want to show you guys how that looked on here, but definitely follow me on Instagram or stay tuned and subscribe, because this is definitely going to be my go-to wig from now on, guys. You will be seeing more of her. This is just absolutely perfect. If you guys are going on vacation, this is a wig that you can either wear or just bring with you to switch up your style. You don't have to have a full wig install for your trip or anything like that. This is a perfect go-to wig to just have. You can throw it on. It's super cute. This texture is absolutely beautiful as well and perfect for summer, I feel. But if you're not a curly or wavy girl, you can definitely check out Simidola hair, because they do have other textures if you prefer straight or body wave or even a curlier texture. But let me know what you guys think down below. I'm absolutely in love with this wig, guys. I can honestly not rave about this enough. I'm watching the footage back and I'm just like, yes, like this is about to be my go-to wig. I have other wigs that I've gotten to, okay, maybe look like this, but do you know how long it took me to install? And then honestly, the wigs don't even maintain. After a couple days, they're looking crusty and caked up. This is it, guys. No lace buildup, no bleaching your knot, no glue, no wig cap method, bald cap method. Like, just throw her on and you are looking like you got a full wig lace install. And I cannot get enough of this texture. But yeah, I can go on and on all day about this wig. Check the description box down below. You won't regret it. I also have a coupon code so you guys can save some money. You don't have to purchase this wig exactly. If you shop Simidola hair, be sure to use my code and you can save an additional 15% off. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Like a G.